Already. Let's do this. Come on.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The shadows will envelop you!
I got the bus.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a long way down!
Yarbo, you have it. Yarbo.
Spell isn't ready yet. I can't cast that yet.
Toss fast.
That's
Toss,
still
toss, toss, toss,
recharging.
toss.
Done.
No, I'm dead.
I can't cast that yet.
DS has it.
Move the boss a bit.
Move.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Destruction will punish you!
That spell isn't ready yet.
Watch out with the fire.
I can't cast that yet. That spell
Transitioning.
Beware! Cannot hide my might!
Freddy Craig. Gold answer first.
No, can't.
Okay, Devil Key. Tossing to my phone.
Beware!
For a second.
Utar kite. Rest. Watch out.
Not that side.
That's still recharging.
5, 4, 3,
Toss it back.
2, 1.
That spell isn't ready yet.
Jake.
Start moving to the green mark.
What's up?
Guys, please watch the fucking fire.
The winds will punish you!
Toss, toss.
Reagan, do you have Ank?
I can't cast that yet.
No, it's on cooldown.
You can rest him. He has
Chat rooms.
it's 40 seconds to next.
Careful.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The winds will punish you!
That
That's still recharging.
You can toss it to me.
I got the
Come on.
bus.
Giving it to you.
Beware! Cannot hide my might!
Divine him first.
4,
And my barrier.
3, 2, 1.
Fire.
Careful.
Beware!
Next is Spirit Link and Diaz.
4, 3, 2,
I can't cast that yet.
Gash kite.
On me.
It's on DS, so.
I had the fell form.
You'll need to throw the healing hell soon.
Yeah.
It's not on him already. Throw it now.
One
Pass
sec.
it, pass it.
One sec.
Yeah, I gave Ross, it's really needed still as well.
Keep tossing now.
I'm out of range.
Good
Keep
job.
tossing.
man.
Focus the damn priest.
5, 4, 3,
I got the bus.
1.
Keep people up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
had better learn to fly.
Just keep the focus up.
Keep all your cooldowns for the next phase.
You can throw it to me.
Aspen.
Move it forward.
I got this one.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Winds.
That spell isn't ready yet.
Toss it, Karma, to Healing Hell.
Kimiko.
Kimiko has it.
Yeah, it's fine.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Arrange your cooldowns.
It's 21%.
I have Relic Cry.
Arthel.
Move out.
Circle.
Give it to my Honda.
Top D-boss.
Cannot protect you.
Fucking serious.
4,
Move out
Toss
of
it
the
to me.
fire.
2.
Freddy Relling.
Melee fire, watch it.
Give it back.
That
Yeah, I just
spell is
caved.
charging.
Beware.
That spell isn't ready yet.
5,
Remember the Raven.
4, 3,
Fred user close.
1.
Raven next.
Just dispel and throw to me.
Focus the rear.
Throw to me, throw.
Done. It's fine.
Fell Raven only, please. Hurry up. No, the last one. You can move
Got
the
it.
boss. Throw it to Healing Hell.
Dispel.
Throw it to Healing Hill.
I have it.
Yes, thank you.
Start moving.
You can move
Keep
the boss.
throwing, keep throwing. Keep throwing.
Mahan.
Fast, please. Thank you.
No,
We
I
gotta
don't
move.
have it. Where are you?
Waiting for you
Move
to
the
move the
boss.
boss.
Okay, moving.
3, 2.
You need
Watch
to roll
out with the
yourself.
fire.
I got the boss.
Use Relling someone. And Devil. Cake.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Do you have the orb? Yeah, okay.
I'm popping
Yes.
up here.
Is that-
Winds.
You had better learn to fly.
Throw it, Kimiko.
Boss.
Good job, Jarbug.
Just keep chill now. Giving to you.
So easy, this damn fight, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, fuck you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Punish you.
Good job.
You have won.
Nice
So it was
DPS,
3-2.
Simon.